Okay, if you want to track the delivery of emails, so you want to make sure that emails have been delivered to the recipients and stuff like that. So you can easily do that by track delivery in cPanel. What you do is you log into your cPanel and you just click search on the search bar email. You can do like this, or you can just scroll down to email section, and then you go to track delivery, click there, and then you just run the report, or you just it's just there. Click here, run the report or whatever, and it will show you what has failed and what has not. So if you have a look at the, if it's a ticked green button icon, then it means that it's successful. But if it's a red one with an exclamation mark, it could not be delivered. So this message has not been delivered. So I have sent two messages from this address. I've sent it um, on 20th March 2019 at 2:56 p.m. and then another one on the same like on 19th March, and both are not delivered, and these are the recipient. So both are not delivered, and they said that it could not be delivered. So if I click on the icon in the actions section, for example, it's a blue icon, and I just click that for details. It will tell me with different information, detailed information. The event column shows icon of success. So here it should be success written if it was delivered, but it says failure. Um, it's a failure one. Um, the sender button, the sender button here, I'll just highlight that. It will show the email address of email sender, okay, which is myself, okay. Then the sent time, you can see the sent time here when it was sent. Then you can see the spam score, this one, okay. And then you can see the recipient, so who's receiving that email, okay. And then you can see the results section, this one, which says that the mail server could not deliver mail to the recipient. The account or domain may not exist, they may be blacklisted or missing the proper DNS entries. So that's very important. And so why it has its failure, what's wrong with it, and you can just correct it. You can also print this if you want, to show somebody or look at it in detail, or you can just close it.